The radius of planet A is half the radius of planet B. If the mass of A is ma, what must be the mass of B so that the value of G on B is half that of its value on A? Means in this question we have to find the value of mass of B. Okay, so first what is given? Given is the radius of planet A is half the radius of planet B. Okay, so we will consider the radius of planet A as RA and radius of planet B as RB. Okay, this is radius of planet A, radius of planet A, and this is radius of planet B. Now, what is the condition? The radius of planet A is half the radius of planet B. So, according to the given condition, we have that the radius of planet A is equals to half of radius of planet B, means half of RB, that is RB by 2. So, this is our first given. Okay. So, next is given that if the mass of A is ma, ma is the mass of planet A, what must be the mass of B? Okay, so we have to find what is mb. We have to find what is mb. Okay, so that the value of G on B is half that of its value on A. So the value of G means G on B is equals to half that of its value on A, that is half of GA, that is GA by 2. So this is our second condition. These are our both the condition. Okay, so now we have to find the value of mb. We have to find the value of mb. So first formula is, we know that G equals to Gm by R square. So this is a formula. Okay, so first we will substitute this for Ga and then for Gb. Okay, so Ga equals to Gma divided by Ra square and Gb equals to Gmb divided by Rb square. Okay, so we have both these values Ga and Gb. Okay, so we have to find the value of mb. So first we will divide Gb by Ga so that we will get mb. Okay, equals to the value of Gb is Gmb by Rb square divided by the value of Ga, that is Gma divided by Ra square. Okay, so this will be equal to, this will go upside, it will become Gmb divided by Rb square into, this will become inverse. Okay, so Ra square divided by Gma. Okay, so this we have got. So we will take Ra and Rb common and Gm and Gm common. Okay, so it will become Gmb divided by Gma into Ra divided by Rb the whole square. Okay, so this we have got by dividing this. So here G and G will get cancelled. Okay, so what is remaining? Gb by Ga equals to mb divided by ma into Ra by Rb the whole square. Okay, so now what is Gb? Here we have written Gb is half of Ga. Okay, so therefore we can write the value of Gb, that is Ga by 2 divided by Ga. Okay, equals to, here we will write mb divided by ma as it is, and similarly here we have done for Gb by Ga. Here we will do Ra by Rb, that is, here see, RA equals to RB by 2. So we will substitute that value of RA, that is RB by 2 divided by RB. Okay, so here RB will go upside, so RB and RB will get cancelled. Here 1 by 2 will be remaining, and here similarly GA will go upside, GA and GA will get cancelled, and 1 by 2 will be remaining. So our final answer is 1 by 2 equals to MB by MA into, here square is there, I forgot to write the square. Okay, so here half square. So this is our, we got this, so half I will write as it is. Here MB by MA I will write as it is, and 1 square 1 and 2 square 4. Okay, so I will write it like this. Okay, so now this will go here, it will become division. So 1 by 4, so here it will, therefore I will write here, therefore I will write in terms of MB by MA. Okay, equals to half divided by 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 will go upside, so it will become MB by MA equals to, this will go upside, so it will become 4 by 2. So this is equals to MB by MA equals to 2. Okay, so we want in terms of MB, so we will write it MB as it is and 2 MA. So we have got the value of MB, that is the value of MB is 2 MA. Okay, so if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment section.